morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're all going to Forsyth today. Laundry, groceries, no shower. Well, maybe. Maybe we'll go to the campground. They've got showers. We'll see. I'm kind of, day 7 of funk. So, let's see what we gotta load up. And of course, Boris.
Boris thinks he can drive.
Oh, I forgot my book. Forgot my book. Okay. What a beautiful day today. Even though it's chilly. It's really just like driving to Indian Springs.
Yeah, pretty much. It's pretty calm today.
Yeah. I thought it was interesting what TnT said about this river compared to the rivers back home in Missouri. They said those are all muddy.
Yeah. The Ohio River's a muddy river.
Rolling into Forsyth. Gonna go get some breakfast at the Howdy Hotel. You can just park in the front. Let's eat.
There you go.
I want to check what you just doing.
Oh. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'll show you.
Here, I'll do it.
There you go.
Press the red button until it goes bleep bleep.
Ready
We
for
are.
some breakfast?
Yay!
Yay!
Charles is leaving us.
It's a nice train. The BNSF Railway. It's pretty cool train town.
How are you doing?
Good. Thank you. Biscuits and gravy meal.
I'm sure they do. I'm sure they have it. And I'm gonna have a country fried steak with 2 eggs poached.
It does sound good.
I'll give you a bite.
I love biscuits and gravy. It's one of my favorite things.
Mine too.
What are you gonna have today?
Yep. You want to go first?
Yes. I'd like a half order biscuits and gravy, please. And then I'd like the 1 egg and bacon. And
egg?
over easy.
Okay. You want hash brown?
Yes, please.
And what kind of toast?
Do you guys have sourdough?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that. Thank you.
Can I get the 2 eggs? I'll have them scrambled. Hash browns, and can you make sure the hash browns on mine are like well done?
Yeah.
And then the hamburg steak and toast, and I'll also have sourdough.
Okay. See? And for you?
I'm going to have a country fried steak, 2
And-
eggs poached, rye toast,
2. What kind of gravy? White or brown?
white.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna play a Monopoly.
All right. You know, I used to walk a lot when I worked in Yellowstone. I mean, I remember once I went on a 30-mile hike. I didn't mean to.
Yeah.
It was just like I kept walking, and I kept
Yeah.
going, oh man,
Yeah, that's
I need to turn around and go this way, and that's another
Yeah.
15 miles.
Give me just 1 moment. Hello? Can you hear me? Hi. Hey, I wanted to give you a call and let you know that we've decided we're going to take Finley with us. Yes. And if anything changes though, I will give you a call and go from there. He is Australian Shepherd and Husky mix. He's 2. Yes, he is a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. He is. But we're coming into town for our anniversary, and we were thinking about boarding him, but I think we're going to go ahead and just take him and take him out on walks with us and stuff like that. So. Oh, cool. Okay. Awesome. Alrighty. Yeah. Yes, thank you. All right, you too. Bye. We're gonna board Finley while we went on our anniversary trip,
Uh-huh.
but I think we're just gonna take him because it's only $10 to add him to the room with us, and
I mean, we're already gonna have to deal with listening to him the whole drive. there.
yeah, it's like
Right.
3 hours, so we might as well just take him and let him go explore with us.
So where are you guys going to go? Did you
White
decide?
Sulphur
White Sulphur.
Springs.
You are going to go.
Yeah. It'd be nice to have a nice
Yep.
warm soak.
We're
on
gonna
our
stay.
anniversary.
Yep, we're gonna stay at the motel there. They do. They have 3 hot springs,
Yeah.
which is cool. They have 1 inside and 2 outside.
Nice.
So maybe we'll be there when they do water aerobics because they said that that's open to the people that are staying in the hotel.
That's neat.
But they have trails and stuff there, so we're gonna go and picnic and
Nice.
hiking. Just take the Finley boy.
I think that'll be great.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Well, so we found out that music festival we want to go to, it's called Moose Fest.
Uh-huh.
And it's in Boulder, Montana, between Butte and Helena. And there's a huge hot springs in Boulder,
Oh,
too.
wow.
But the band is so great. They're called
Okay.
Ty Walker and the Humanoids. And they're kind of art students. You know what I mean?
Okay.
They perform in these giant, like, alien heads with long scraggy, and they've got this whole gig. The
pretty
the
cool.
deal is like their lead singer and guitarist is supposed to have been abducted
Oh.
because they needed him to, help them. I
Yeah.
can't remember what it was, the Glorpinator or something like that. Anyway, they're gonna be fun.
That's, so you guys are gonna go?
Yeah.
Fun, fun.
August 14th and 15th.
Cool,
And it's about a 4-hour drive.
cool.
One thing you find about Montana, it's like nobody bats an eye at a drive like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's
going
so
to
far
town.
apart, but it's like at home, if we hear something's 2 hours away, we're not gonna wanna go. But here, that's the only way to get anywhere.
Yeah, it's true. You don't have any choice.
Yeah, like we hardly ever went to St. Louis because it's 3 hours away.
And traffic.
Yeah,
And-
it's pretty bad in St. Louis.
Yeah. I don't think I've only been to St. Louis probably once in my life.
I've only been to the Arch once.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it is. We just avoid that area. We prefer the Kansas
Have you
City.
ever been up in the Arch?
No,
Yeah,
I've never even
pretty
been
cool.
there.
it's pretty cool. They got little windows you can like look down. It's pretty.
That's cool. Now I've been to in a tall building. I went in Chicago. They have like a skyscraper that you could walk out on the floor and it was see-through, so you could see the
You
city
ever seen
below
those
you.
like the ones that are like that, but it's like a prank and it looks like it cracks when you step on it
No.
and freaks people out.
I'd probably freak out.
I like that. It looks good.
You want to pick 'em?
Sure. Always stick piece of bacon.
Yum.
Show me the biscuits and gravy.
Mm.
Oh
Like the
my.
Speedway Cafe.
Yeah, it looks good.
Forsyth.
The best thing in Forsyth. We're kind of doing this because our kitchen sink at the Lilly is demolished because we're putting a new one in this week, and so we don't have any water, and or not enough water. So we're just gonna get a big jug and take it back and make our ice out of that.